Okay. So I wanted to talk a little bit about healthcare because obviously it's very important to me, and the ACA was a very flawed bill, yet it provided me some things. One of the things it provided me was parity, and this new bill wants to take that away. What that is it precludes insurance companies from treating my health issue differently than an individual with suffering from diabetes or kidney failure, right? So before the ACA, insurance companies used to, Blue Cross Blue Shield, yes, I'm talking about you, used to give a limit on how many appointments I could get each year on my insurance. For a while there, it was 3 psychiatric appointments and 6 therapy appointments. Well, considering that I see a psychiatrist at least once a month, sometimes not so often, but I do have a mental illness and my meds do need to change often because of the nature of my mental illness, being bipolar, also having PTSD, also having dissociative disorder. So when you say 3, you basically mean after April, I have to end up paying each visit, which is $175 for a psychiatrist right now, and about $100, maybe a little less for my therapy, right? So to the guy who says it about the cell phones, right? Oh, just stop buying the iPhone. Well, you know what? I'm filming this on an iPhone, sir, and I pay $300 a month in my premium right now. I also have a $40 copay for my psychiatrist and a $15 copay for my therapist. I see my therapist once a week, and I've been seeing my psychiatrist every 6 weeks. So I ask you, sir, if you can add those up, I don't know if you can, I'm not, right? But if you can add those up, that's way more than an iPhone. So screw you, right? Ugh. But I'd also like to talk about, like, healthcare in general. The Republicans are trying to make us believe that we should all just stand on our own, right? So because I'm mentally ill and I'm an expensive person for the insurance company, they never make a profit off of me, I can guarantee that, right? So they want to put me in one thing, and then they want to put the healthy people in another, because the healthy people shouldn't subsidize me. Are we not all in this together? Do you Republicans, we're probably legislators, do you not get into your car and get on the road? Do you know that that road is something that we all share? And that the healthier our society, the better those roads are, right? The better our country will be, right? When I was off, so here in Tampa, it took me about 7 to 8 months to get good mental health. One of the reasons for that is insurance companies pay as little as possible, so it's not very profitable to be a psychiatrist or a therapist right now. Well, what that does is it closes that market, so the wait list is always very long to get into any type of psychiatrist, right? It's not like I can just go in and a walk-in appointment. I just think this is insane. So when that happened, through that year that it really took me to get stable again, I ended up going through 3 dissociative disorder episodes. My bipolar was just rampant. I was going from being happy as crap and making businesses that were never going to succeed, my grandiose ideas, my expenditures went crazy. I mean, for a second, just look at this freaking apartment and it's a beautiful view. I made this decision in a manic cycle. I really could easily be on one of the lower floors. But no, when I'm mentally ill, I don't make the right decisions, not only for myself, but for those around me. Isn't it better for all of us if I have my medication? Isn't it better for all of us if I am stable and a productive member of society? I think it is. I hope you think it is too. So GOP, I ask you, are you really going to say that you have to be healthy to be an American? Are you really going to tell me that? Are you really going to just want me to die? Or, because I'm not a homicidal, I am suicidal. But to those mentally ill individuals who are homicidal, don't you think it's better for our nation if they have easy access to health care? To me, it's that simple, right? Because we are all in this together. America is great because of the diversity. America is great because in this experiment, we all together lift each other up. It's those good roads, it's that great infrastructure, it's that great education. All of the things that the Republicans don't want to do anything about, right? So when they say, let's make America great again, what they really mean is let's get rid of anything that's not normal. Let's get rid of anything that's not white. Let's get rid of anything that's not healthy. Let's just expel them all. So now you're expelling immigrants. Are you going to expel me next? Is that what you're going to do? Because I really feel the GOP is trying to do that. Okay. Oh, another crazy ramble from me. Everyone, thank you so much. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. It's very sunny and warm here in Florida, so I plan to have a beautiful weekend.